Hill, Samuel Lee Hill. Ms. Watt, we're going to take your case real quick. Get your client in here, please.
He's in here, Your Honor.
Where's Mr. Carmen on this again? Do I have a police report? I'm a babysitter. You know that? That's what I am.
They're down here getting a copy of the police report. I'm printing it.
All right. Do we have a police report? I cannot proceed without a police report.
Your Honor, I emailed a copy to Lisa and asked that she print it for you.
Did the prosecutor's office, they didn't have one in there, a hard copy?
I do not believe so.
I printed it. I just can't get it down there.
I get it. John will come and get it. All right. People against Samuel Lee Hill, 25W727451. Your name?
My name, Your Honor, Samuel Lee Hill.
Michael A. Carmen, P73824 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right. This is going to be a no contest plea under 7694A, correct?
Yes, sir.
Was this the relationship here? Did they reside together?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So do you understand if you plead no contest, I'll take this still under 7694A.
A no contest plea might sound like I'm not saying I did it, but legally, it hits just like a guilty verdict. What would you do in that position? Fight it out or take the deal?
I'll defer the proceedings, set terms and conditions, and if you are compliant at the end of the specified period of time that I set, the case will be dismissed on motion of the prosecutor. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, I want you to understand that a no contest plea has the same effect as a guilty plea. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Lisa, he had another case here where there was no judicial segment on a domestic. Can you check on that in the computer, please? Did you sign, read, and understand? It looks like it. It was charged back in September of 23. And I don't know, maybe it was dismissed and it's the same case, but I don't.
It was dismissed. It has an offense date of September 29th of 23.
Right. Okay. So if you plead no contest, it has the same effect as a guilty plea. The possible penalties are up to 500 fines, 93 days jail costs, or all of those penalties. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And again, you understand a no contest plea has the same effect as a guilty plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights form?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand if you plead no contest, you'll be giving up all those rights and we're not going to have a trial of any kind. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Now, counsel, do you stipulate I can use the police report to establish a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor. Defense stipulates.
That has been, what is going on? Who's Melinda King? What is going on here? This is not a police report. You guys sent me.
Yeah, I emailed her the discovery packet and asked to print the report.
This is a.
I think it's a few pages back, Judge. I just printed everything.
Yeah, this is a petition for appointment of guardian that must have been filed in conjunction with the other case.
Oh, I handed him the wrong thing. Sorry.
No worries.
That's Mr. Zelenik's.
You know, I don't mind doing this. You know, the rule says technically it has to be a guilty plea. You understand that, right?
I understand, Your Honor. Appreciate the court's discretion.
Well, they're agreeing to it, so I don't have a problem.
Thank you.
But I'm going to have a problem if people don't bring me police reports in the future. I just don't want our staff running around. I don't know why they don't have hard copies in their file.
Good question, Your Honor.
They should. All right. Now, do you stipulate I can use the police report to establish a factual basis?
Yes, sir, Your Honor. Defense stipulates.
Do you understand everything that I have said to you, Mr. Hill?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to mark it on the case report summary on page 3 to the charge of domestic violence. How do you wish to plead?
No contest, Your
All
Honor.
right. Let me review the report here. This is his mother. I'm not going to take a no contest plea as his mother. She's not going to sue him.
Your Honor, it's for lack of memory. He doesn't remember. He was prescribed bipolar medication. At that time, he was not taking them. He does not remember.
Is that true, sir?
assaulted his own mother. And the judge does not hold back. You can feel the courtroom shift here from legal business to raw personal disappointment.
Yes, Your Honor.
Based on my review of the report, I find there's a factual basis for the plea. Are you on probation or parole?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody force you to plead no contest?
No, Your Honor.
I don't care. I'm going to take the plea. I'll take it under 7694A. I'm going to order a screening and assessment. I don't care what kind of drugs or alcohol. I don't care if you've had 15 pints of whiskey and fentanyl and everything else. You assault your own mother. There's nothing funny about this. Is that her in the back?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, wait a minute. She didn't drive you here.
No, Your Honor.
How'd you get here?
It was
Don't lie to me. How'd you get here?
my stepdad, Your Honor.
Where's your stepdad?
He dropped me off, Your Honor.
You know that's a violation. You haven't had any contact with her, have you?
No, Your Honor.
This is a bond condition. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Screening and assessment is ordered. We'll give you a sentence date. Boy, I'll tell you what. You better get your act together. I don't like assault cases to begin with, but your own mother? Your own mother? I don't know about you. You only got one of them. I only have one of them. You only have one of them. And there's nobody that's going to know you longer than your own mother. You're coming back for a sentencing. I'm telling you, you better stay straight and narrow with me. You understand what I'm telling you?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm glad to hear that. Because otherwise you're going to force me to do something I don't want to do. I just don't understand this nonsense. People assaulting their own mother. Give me a sentence date, please, Lisa.
February 4th at 8:30.
Did you hear that, sir? Go down the hall, get your notice, go over to probation, fill out a questionnaire, and be interviewed, and don't you even look at your mom on the way out. Do you understand that?
Are the lips being taken off or?
No. For what? What lifts?
No contact.
Why would I do that when even though you're sitting here saying this to me, I have the strong inclination to believe that you violated the bond conditions? Why would I do that? Why would I let you make your own orders? You want to make your own orders?
No.
I don't know what to tell you. Go to law school, run for judge.
Your Honor, I think the prosecutor was considering amending it to a no assault.
Prosecutor's not the judge. And they didn't say one thing about that. No objection to pleading no contest. 769 approved. Call in. Who was the prosecutor on this one? Ms. Vella?
Yes.
Call her in. Did the victim ask that? Come here, ma'am. Can you come up here?
Yes, sir.
Why don't you go right? That is a microphone, believe it or not. It doesn't look like it. Right on that jury box there. That is a microphone. Would you tell me?
Even after being assaulted, the mother pleads for her son. That's loyalty, or maybe something more painful. Should judges honor a victim's wishes or protect them from their own forgiveness?
Your name, please? Good morning, and I'm sorry your son ever did this to you.
Thank you.
Do you want to lift the bond condition?
Yes.
Why?
Well, family isn't helping him and I can't do anything for him at that point. So, and he just had surgery too.
Wait a minute. What do you mean family isn't helping him? You're his mother, right?
Yes. It's a family member, somebody who wants to help him.
Counsel, your appearance.
Mine, Your Honor?
Yeah.
Michaela Bella on behalf of the people.
What do you want to do on the bond condition? She wants me to let him back to the house. Give me a bond sheet. You have a position on this?
Your Honor, I do not. I would object.
I cannot tell you how much this troubles me. I just hate these. I really do. You know why? I just cannot imagine. I cannot imagine assaulting my own mother. I just can't imagine under any scenario people doing that. I just don't get it. Like I said, I'm not a fan of assault cases to begin with. As far as I'm concerned, anybody who wants to be the aggressor ought to figure out who the heavyweight champion of the world is and go pick on them. Nothing wrong with that. You want to go pick on them, pick on them. It's not a problem. But when we pick on weaker people that we know to be weaker, then that is not, it makes us a bully. We're a bully. We're not a very nice person. Here's what I'm doing. No firearms, no dangerous weapons, no assaultive, abusive, or intimidating behavior toward the victim. You cannot leave the state without consent. You can't violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. You understand all that? And also no contact with prosecution witnesses. Lisa, take out those bond conditions and we'll let him go back, and you're coming back February 4th at 8:30 for a sentence. I think you'll show up, ma'am. I'd like to talk to you at that time. Will you do that for me? Thank you. I apologize to your mother on the way out of the building. Now you can do it. Good
I
luck.
definitely feel terrible about the whole situation. I love my mom, you know.
Oh, by the way, no alcohol or drugs either. No alcohol, no controlled substances, no illegal drugs. Okay, do you understand that? No marijuana. Okay, give me the other file of Ms. Watts, please, and we'll call that one. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.